What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you this Dr. Brown Milestone. This baby straw cup. You can use this for 6 months and above. It's a weighted straw, helps baby drink from any angle, as you see. And it's a BPA approved. That's the most important thing. So once you buy a cup like this, 9 ounces, 270 ml. So it comes with a rubber and a rubber straw. And there's a okay, to the side of the cup you'll see the US ounces and ml. So it's a 9 ounce and 170 ml. So it comes with the cleaning rod that you can clean. You can stick it inside there. If there's any debris that need to unclog. This is made of rubber. This is rubber, and this is plastic. This is what it looks like once you attach the lead cover, and this is made of rubber. So this is this baby first straw cup is a spill proof, and the nice thing with this, the handles are very easy to for a little hands to hold. So there's a 2 handles to the side, and attach the lid stay open when the baby drinks, and keeps the straw clean when not in use. So easy to use and easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. So they include the straw and a cleaning brush. So if you guys have a 6 months old baby, a 1 year old, 2 years old, this is a good travel baby straw cup. Especially if your kids wants to drink water. I don't recommend that you guys put milk to this, because if you put milk, it will clog the this straw, that it can cause dirt inside the straw. So I would rather advise you guys just use only a water. This is for water only, for water use, so that your baby able to drink a press water. This is a very nice Dr. Brown product, and it comes with this cleaning rod, very nice, and BPA approved. You won't get wrong. 9 ounces, 270 ml. I have this before, and this one they changed the design. Before they flip it like this, but now you are able to slide it, and you're able to open this by that. It's a leak proof. I can guarantee you it's a leak proof, because I have similar to this made by Dr. Brown, and I've been using it for my 3 children. My daughter used this when she was a baby, and then my second child when he was a small baby as well. Now my third baby, now he's 1 year old. So we decided to buy a new one, replace the old one, and this is the new innovations made by Dr. Brown's. It's a milestone that able to use by 6 months and above. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys found my YouTube channel helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I'll catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.